I just got done replacing the propeller on this V6 fish, and there was a few tricky things. It's just these two screws underneath this, and pull that out, and this is a broken one, but you couldn't switch this one for this one because it doesn't have an R on it. They're designed differently for different fins. So yeah, and I had to pry this off it took a little bit of force, so mine has something rattling around in it too. But anyway, that's how you replace that. I'm just going to put that all back together and update the firmware.